Amount of wires usually defines a high-end audio hobby. You have the heavy metal boxes. You have the messy cables snaking across the floor. There's a constant stress of matching an amplifier to a specific set of speakers. It is a ritual. It is a hobby. But think about the sheer relief if all that clutter just vanished. This latest flagship wireless system from those legendary audio masters at the British firm is making a bold claim for the future. They want to replace your entire rack of gear with two elegant cabinets. This is not just a speaker. It is a brain. It is a power plant. It is a voice all rolled into one beautiful package. At the heart of it is that signature driver design they've been perfecting for decades. It places the tweeter right in the middle of the mid-range cone. This creates a single-point source of sound. The result is a clarity that hits you the moment the music starts. It feels like the singer is standing right in front of you. The realism is startling. But the real magic is happening behind the scenes with their new velocity control technology. This system is actually listening to itself in real time. It monitors the movement of the drivers to kill distortion before it even starts. This means the bass is tighter than anything you would expect from a cabinet of this size. Most wireless speakers struggle when the volume goes up. They get messy or thin. These stay composed and authoritative. They have also packed in a special absorption layer that sucks up unwanted sound from the back of the driver. It acts like an acoustic black hole for interference. This leaves the audio pure and incredibly detailed. You get support for the highest resolution digital files that go way beyond what most ears can even perceive. Setting it up is basically a dream. You just plug them into power and connect to your network. There is no hunting for the right converter. There is no worrying about signal loss in long cable runs. It supports every wireless streaming standard you can think of. You can even hook it up to your television via a single modern connection to handle movie nights. The digital processing engine inside even calibrates itself to your specific room. It adjusts the output based on your furniture and your walls. It is a massive shift in how we think about high-fidelity audio. The design is equally striking. Those curved cabinets are not just a fashion statement. They prevent internal resonance that muddies the sound. You're looking at a piece of sculpture that happens to sing. But we have to talk about the trade-off. This is flagship level money. You are paying for the convenience and the engineering. For the traditionalist, this might feel like losing control. There are no tubes to swap. There are no fancy speaker cables to obsess over. You are buying into a closed ecosystem. It is a choice between the infinite tweakability of a custom setup or the refined perfection of an all-in-one masterpiece. If you crave a minimalist lifestyle but refuse to compromise on sound, this might be the peak of the mountain. It represents a pivot point for the entire industry. We are moving away from the complex stacks of the past towards something much more streamlined. The question is whether you are ready to let go of the knobs and the dials. Does the purity of a single integrated system outweigh the joy of the hunt? This set of speakers is making a very strong case for the affirmative. It sounds like the future. It looks like the future. And for most people, it will probably change how they listen to music forever.